Okay. Hi, my name is Carol. I was treated by a doctor in Buffalo who told me I had neuropathy and there was nothing that he could do about it. I would have to live with it. When I came to Interactive, Dr. Sebastian gave me treatments. I had neuropathy was in my legs, my feet, my arms, and my hands. They were burning. My feet were burning so bad it felt like I was walking on hot coals. And my fingers were so bad I could barely hold a pencil. After Dr. Sebastian's treatments, he gave me one in my upper torso, my arms, and two in my legs. Everything has been completely cleared up. I have a slight tingling in my toes. That is all. Everything else, the neuropathy is completely gone. Dr. Sebastian did a wonderful job. I cannot recommend him more highly.